Lazim helps Owners Association Management (OAM) companies streamline and enhance property management by providing an all-in-one platform that integrates key functions such as communication, accounting, maintenance, and vendor management. With its automated features, Lazim reduces manual workloads, ensuring faster processing of invoices, service charge tracking, and work order management. The platform enables seamless communication between property managers, residents, and vendors, ensuring transparency and quick issue resolution. Real-time data analytics and reporting tools give OAMs actionable insights for better decision-making, while its mobile-first design ensures that all stakeholders can manage property operations on the go. By improving operational efficiency, enhancing resident satisfaction, and ensuring compliance, Lazim empowers OAM companies to deliver exceptional service while driving cost savings and maximizing property value.